Good morning, students. Today we will start with the next topic of the life processes, that is respiration. Up till now, we have discussed the first life process, that is nutrition. That what is the meaning of nutrition and what are the different modes of nutrition in plants and animals. So, next is respiration. Respiration is again a very important life process that you should know. And before that, before starting the main topic, I would like to ask you some questions that we have discussed about the nutrition, that nutrition helps us to give the energy. It is one of the function of the food that we eat. So my question to you is that how do we get energy from the food that we eat? It is very important question, that how do we get energy from the food that we eat? Now the second question that is related to this topic is that, which will give you the hint for this, that how do the fuel that help in running the bike, how do fuel it help in running the bike? हम जो भी बाइक चलाते हैं या कार चलाते हैं उसमें हम फ्यूल डालते हैं उसको चलाने के लिए. सो बोथ ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस दे आर इंटर रिलेटेड विद ईच अदर एंड दे आर इंटर रिलेटेड विद द टॉपिक दैट इज respiration. So let's have answer of these questions, that to get the energy from the food that we eat, our body perform a special function called as respiration. It is the main life process. Okay, so if in the layman language someone has to define the respiration, respiration means the process of obtaining the energy from the फूड. सो वो प्रोसेस जिसके थ्रू क्या मिलता है, हमें फूड खाने से एनर्जी मिलती है, वो प्रोसेस क्या होगा, रेस्पिरेशन होगा. इन द सेम वे बाइक के लिए जो फूड है वो क्या है, फ्यूल है. तो फ्यूल को बर्न कर कर बाइक को क्या मिलती है, एनर्जी मिलती है. इन द सेम वे जब हम फूड लेते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी में भी क्या होता है, वो फूड बर्न होता है ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट व्हाट हैपन, वी गेट द एनर्जी. ओके, नाउ let's take the view of the definition of respiration, and before that I would just like to give an example to make you clear that in actual what is happening in respiration. अब देखिए कि एक पर्सन है, वो जंगल जाता है और जंगल में से पेड़ काट कर लकड़ी लेकर आता है. ओके, अब उसने अपने घर में क्या करना है, चूल्हे के थ्रू चूल्हे में आग लगानी है, हीट प्रोड्यूस करनी है, लकड़ी में आग लगाकर हीट प्रोड्यूस करनी है. तो वो क्या करेगा, वो सबसे पहले जो भी जंगल से पेड़ काट कर लकड़ी लाया है उसको स्मॉल पीसीज में कट डाउन करेगा और फिर उन स्मॉल पीसीज को बर्न करेगा इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. ओके, एंड आफ्टर बर्निंग दोज वुड पीसेस ही विल गेट द हीट energy that was the requirement of that person. In the same way, the food that we eat, it is firstly broken down into the smaller pieces by the help of nutrition में हमने डाइजेशन स्टेप पढ़ा था. डाइजेशन में हमने क्या किया, जो हमारा कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड मटेरियल था उसको हमने सिंपलर फॉर्म में तोड़ा. ओके, एंड फर्दर दैट broken down organic compound, it will burn in the presence of oxygen to give energy, and that process is called as respiration. Now we will discuss the reaction which is elaborating the process of respiration. It is C6H12O6. It is the formula of glucose, and glucose is one of the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, as we have already discussed, it is one of the component of our food. Whenever our body it requires the instant energy, our body takes the carbohydrate, or we take carbohydrate in the diet. So when this carbohydrate, example is glucose, it react with the oxygen, it will form carbon dioxide, water, and a large amount of energy, that is 38 ATP. Now here I have to add over here that what is the meaning of ATP. ATP, it is commonly called as the energy currency, and the full form is adenosine triphosphate. Now whenever our body it has to perform any kind of activity, any kind of function, our body has to pay this energy currency. जैसे हमें मार्केट से कोई भी सामान लेकर आना होता है तो हमें पहले एक्सपेंडिचर करनी पड़ती है, मनी, अपनी करेंसी देनी पड़ती है, ओनली देन वी कैन बाय दैट product from the market. In the same way, when our body it has to perform any function, our body has to pay the energy currency, that is ATP, for the performance of that work. Okay, so if we have to compile the reaction of respiration, it is C6H12O6, that is the food that we eat. When it comes in the contact of oxygen, it burns to give the carbon dioxide, water and a large amount of energy.